Do you want?
Do I need to move? Oh my god! Oh my god! Don't show that! Don't show that!
Why?
What is that? Explain before, please. That's family.
That was what the IP address got tracked back to that Facebook account.
Is that Tony's?
Yes, baby.
Pull it back up now. Now that I know that. But that
Wait a minute. I'm getting all confused, guys. Relax.
Remember because last night when the second person popped up in my back chat and people asked who it was, if it was the same as the first one. And I said, no, it was another one.
Yep.
It came back, the IP address traced back to that person.
Okay, now you can show me it again.
Yeah.